How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your computer is connected to a Wi-Fi and the network is bad, then follow this instruction and speed up the internet connection on your laptop. This is very simple. If you find this tip helpful, please subscribe to this channel. First, come to this place, right click on it, then click on this run button. In the space provided, type in ncpa.cpl, then enter, or you click on this button. It brings to this interface. You should be able to see your Wi-Fi here. You can see my Wi-Fi here. So click on it, then right click on the Wi-Fi, then locate and click on properties. Once you click on properties, it comes out like this. Then from here, scroll down until you get to Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it. Once you click on it, then click on these properties. Now under this property, come to this side. Then you have two DNS that you can use here. You can use Google DNS or Cloud DNS. The one you see on the screen here is Google DNS 8.8.8.8, then 8.8.4.4. This is Google DNS. It's a very good DNS that you can try. Then you can also use Cloud DNS. Here you type 1.1.1.1, then 1.0.0.1. Once you've done that, click on this OK button. Then once you've clicked on the OK button, click on this close button. Now you've closed it. The next thing is to come over to this place again and right click on this place. Once you right click here again, here is what you need to do. Come over to the property again and click on it. Once you click on the property, then this time around, come to this place, this configure, click on it. Once you click on this configure, it comes out like this. Irrespective of the computer you use, you should see Intel dual band wireless here, and here this device is working properly. Now come to this place, advanced button, click on it. Once you click on it, there are some settings you need to put in place in this place. There are very good settings that you cannot do without it. The first settings I want you to take care of is fat channel intolerance. So locate fat channel intolerance, this one, click on it. Make sure it is disabled. If it is enabled, make sure you disable it. It should be disabled. Now locate preferred band and click on it, this button. It should be 3 gigahertz. If it is on no preference, or 2.4, if you have 2.4, click 2.4. If you have prefer 5G GHz, click on it. It should be 5GH, very compulsory. Then locate and click on roaming aggressive, this one. Now click on it. The issue here is this: if you are very closer to your Wi-Fi, maybe between range of 10 meter, 8 meter, choose lowest, because the lowest the roaming aggressive, the faster the network becomes on your device. So use lowest. Use lowest. The least we can use here is mid low or medium low, but guys, use lowest. Once you use lowest, then locate and click on channel width. This, you have channel width for 2.4 gigahertz and channel width for 5 gigahertz. So click on this one, should be auto. If it is on this, make sure it is auto. Then this one, make sure it is also auto. Once they are auto, you've set it into auto, then click on OK. Then again, we've set up the DNS we are using here. I've said you can either use the Google DNS or you use the Cloud DNS. Once again, Google DNS is 8.8.8.8. On the second place, you write 8.8.4.4, while Cloud DNS is 1.1.1.1. In the second place, 1.0.0.1. Then once you put all the things together like this, click on this OK. Then I click on this OK, go ahead and click on this window. come to this place, click on it. Now here, click on this arrow. You should see network here. Make sure you restart your computer so that all the settings you put in place will work very fine for your computer. So that's all guys on how to speed up your internet connection on your Windows PC. If you do enjoy this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.